Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll down and enter the version, and let's keep tapping on the build number, or actually version number, to enable the developer options. If you want to learn more about them, simply check our tutorial. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings, and then scroll down to find developer options. Right now all we have to do is to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to update your device manually. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.